My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Audi Q4 e-tron. This vehicle has done just over 44,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and automatic wipers. On the screen, we have key features such as navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay. If we go into car, this is where we can access our charging, lights and vision, Audi Drive Select, parking aid, energy efficiency, driver assist, AC, and our settings and service. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. We have heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.